How to use Perplexity AI for coding. Welcome back to our channel. So to use Perplexity AI for coding, you want to open up Perplexity app onto your device, locate Perplexity website, and now what you want to do is first thing first, to use the coding, you could use the main chat interface to generate a bio. You could generate a code, functions, or complete small scale applications like BMI calculator or web nav bar as well. You could click onto the search, and here you could go to the labs, or you could just go to the research and then type in the prompt. You could just paste the broken code or error message into the prompt. Perplexity identifies the error, explains the cause, and provides a corrected version as well. Next, you could also use it to break down the complex logic in an unfamiliar code, or translate the code between language while maintaining behaviors and input check as well. And you could also ask AI to suggest improvement for reliability, experiences, or adherence to a best practice for specific framework as well. So this way you should be able to use Perplexity AI for coding. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.